how to fix PowerPoint file not opening. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PowerPoint file that won't open. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, find the PowerPoint file on your computer. Right-click on the file and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, look near the bottom. If you see a checkbox or button that says Unblock, go ahead and click it, then press Apply and OK. Try opening the file again to see if it works now. If it still doesn't open, don't worry, let's try repairing your Office installation. Go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Settings, then open it. On the left side, click Apps and then select Installed Apps. At the top, you'll see a search box. Type in 365 if you're using Microsoft 365 or type Office if you have a different version. When it shows up in the list, click the three dots to the right of it and choose Modify. A security window will pop up. Just confirm that you want to continue. You'll get two options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. Start by selecting Quick Repair and click Repair to begin. After the repair is complete, open your file and hopefully it will work properly now. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.